Hello everyone, today I'm going to make my first chicken varuval. As you know, there's many types of chicken varuval. This is only one version. What I have here is one chicken cut up small and marinated with 1 teaspoon of rock salt, and I've already put in the turmeric powder earlier. Okay, I'll give it a mix and leave it to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. And like I said, these chicken pieces for varuval has to be small. Ingredients will go in and you will be able to stir fry it for a long time. Varuval means to cook something dry for a long time. If it's got some gravy around it, that wouldn't be varuval, that would be paratl. Then more gravy, of course, curries, we call it a curry. But this is varuval, so it will be dry until all the spices coat the chicken and oil will come out. So that is called varuval. I have marinated here that chicken. I think I've cut it to about 20 pieces. This is 2.2 kg chicken because it always shrinks. And what I have here is 3 large onions. I'll slice them. 1 tomato chopped fine. This is the ginger. The rest of this here is garlic. And we need a big wedge of lime. All the ingredients will be given in the description box. And then you need about 2 sprigs of washed curry leaf. You need tomato puree, not all, we'll put most probably 2 soup spoonsful. And then some rock salt. What I have here is fennel. You dry roast it and pound it coarsely. And this is white cardamom. There's about 8 small ones. And this will be fried in oil. And this is the Indian sugar that's called vellam. And what I have here is 1 teaspoonful cumin. And this one here is actually black cardamoms. These are cloves, about 6 cloves, and this is about 1 large star anise broken up, and this is 1 long cinnamon stick that's been broken up. This is about 3 dried chillies, the Indian dried chillies, shiny dark ones. And this is actually the nutmeg pods cover. It's orangey. You can buy packets full of this, and all this will be dry roasted and milled in a mill like this. But if you don't have something like this to grind it, use pestle and mortar. Okay, and also you'll need some more turmeric, red chili powder, and oil, and a bit of water. Hari ni aunty akan masak varuval. Varuval ada banyak jenis. Maksud varuval ialah goreng kering sampai minyak dia keluar, goreng kering sampai rempah-rempah dia keliling daging. Kalau ada rempah berkuah, itu bukan varuval ya, itu kira paratl. Dan yang diperlukan adalah sedikit air, minyak, kunyit, dan serbuk cili. Dan ada 2 tangkai daun kari. Garam kasar ini jintan manis 1 sudu sup penuh saya akan sangrai, dan tumbuk kasar ini untuk goreng dalam minyak 6 pelaga putih ya. Ini gula India yang panggil jagery ya, atau vellam pun boleh. Ada banyak jenis gula India untuk masakan. Ini adalah tomato puree. Kita pakai macam 2 sudu sup penuh. Dan di sini ada 3 bawang merah besar. Ini kita akan hiris sama dengan tomato ni, kita akan hiris kecil-kecil lah. Dan di sini ada sedikit halia dan banyak juga bawang putih ya. Saya rasa ada dalam 10 kat sini bawang putih, dan sedikit perahan air limau nipis nanti kita pakai. Dan di sini ada 1 ekor ayam, kena potong kecil-kecil lah, bukan anti kedekut ke apa. Varuval memang kena potong kecil-kecil. Jadi bila kita goreng secara kering tu, dia akan masak. Dan rempah pun senang masuk ya. Bak tulang. Sekarang anti akan siapkan semua yang kena dipotong, yang kena di blend. Lepas tu kita akan start masak. Benda-benda ni kita kena sangrai, kemudian pakai mill ya. Kalau ada alat macam ni dekat blender kita blend kering ya. Kalau tak ada, pakai batu tumbuk. Yang diperlukan ialah 1 sudu kecil jintan putih, 3 buah pelaga hitam, dan 7 cengkeh, 1 bunga lawang besar saya pecah-pecahkan dia, dan 1 kayu manis yang panjang saya pecah-pecahkan dia, so that bila kita sangrai senang dia masak ya. Dan di sini ada 1 ke 2 cili kering India yang dipotong ya. Saya dapat 3 lah. Saya ambil 1 ke 2. Yang ini adalah sejenis, dalam bahasa Tamil jadi pathri. Okay, dalam bahasa Inggeris mace, M-A-C-E. Yang ini sebenarnya kulit dekat luar buah pala. Bila kita nampak buah pala macam ni kan, tapi bila dia turunkan dia dari pokok, benda-benda ni akan lekat macam urat-urat. So inilah yang dipanggil jadi pathri ataupun mace dalam bahasa orang putih lah. So sekarang nanti akan goreng semua ni, lepas tu taruh dalam milk, lepas tu kita boleh start masak ya. I'm gonna start cooking. If you have a pot with a wide base like this, it would be good for any varuval. Kalau ada periuk yang bawah dia lebar macam ni, lagi bagus untuk varuval daripada pakai kuali ya. Kuali nanti mungkin dia terbakar kat bawah. If you use a kuali, there's a chance it can get burnt at the bottom in one place. So something like this would be good if you have. Add some oil. You will need quite a bit of oil for this. Minyak kena lebih sikit untuk apa-apa varuval ni. Okay, the oil is hot. Minyak pun sudah panas ya. Kita mula-mula masukkan bawang ni. 3 labu bawang dia tu. Add in the 3 sliced onion. And then goes in the white cardamoms. Lada putih masuk lepas tu. Goreng sampai kekuningan. Cook until it's golden brown, a light golden brown. Okay, put in all the curry, put in all the ginger garlic paste. Saya masukkan paste bawang putih dan halia yang di blend ya. Okay, put in all the curry. Masukkan 1 tomato yang dicincang. Adding in 1 chopped tomato. Add in the fennel that has been roasted and roughly pounded. Masukkan jintan manis yang disangrai dan ditumbuk kasar. Bukan semua, half saja. Sekarang saya masukkan ayam yang telah diperak. I'm adding in the chicken that has been marinating with a bit of turmeric and a little bit of coarse salt. Ayam ni telah pun saya perak ya selama setengah jam tadi dengan kunyit dan sedikit garam kasar. Sekarang saya akan masuk sedikit lagi kunyit. Adding in a bit more turmeric. Sekarang herba-herba lain yang telah disangrai saya masukkan sedikit dulu. Jangan terus masuk semua. Sedikit dulu. Tutup dengan penutup ya. I'm cooking this with a lid and watch it every now and then. So this will encourage the liquid from the chicken to ooze out, so you do not use much liquid after that. You just have to add in a bit more. Open and stir it occasionally. Cut dan kacau crispy. Air dia dah mula keluar sebab ada garam sikit kan dalam ayam tu. Dia pasti keluar, tapi mungkin ambil masa sikit. Okay, 3 sudu sup serbuk chilli masuk dan sedikit lagi jintan manis yang ditumbuk tadi ya. Saya tak pakai serbuk lada hitam sebab saya nak varuval ni kalau boleh merah sikit ya. So kalau masukkan black pepper takut dia hitam sangat. Okay, sekarang saya masukkan gula vellam ke jagery boleh lah. I'm not using black pepper for this because I want a reddish looking varuval. So I have used 3 soup spoons of plain chilli powder and a little bit more of the roasted and pounded fennel. Lower the flame because you have sugar in there and cover the chicken another 4 minutes or so. This is so that everything goes in. Sekarang saya dan masak, turunkan api sikit dan masak untuk 4 minit gitu sebab kita nak rempah-rempah tu masuk dalam ayam Lepas tu baru taruh tomato puree. You only add tomato puree after this. Okay, sudah dekat-dekat 4 minit. Sekarang kita masukkan air sedikit. Kalau ada air panas lagi bagus lah. Saya masuk setengah bowl kecil macam ni. I've add another half bowl of water. If you have hot water, that is the best, but what I did was I added the water at the bottom of the pan, which will automatically be hot. this stage, I'm adding another 1/3 of the roasted and blended spices. You have to add this in stages because otherwise the smell will disappear in the cooking. And this stage, I would add in about 1 soup spoon of tomato puree and another half. Do not put too much because it can alter the taste of that chicken dish. Saya masukkan sekarang 1/2 sudu sup tomato puree ya. Jangan tambah banyak-banyak sebab nanti rasa ayam tu akan hilang. Inilah warna ayam tu sebelum dia kering. This is how the chicken color will be before it gets darker when you roast it further. Do taste it because rock salt takes time to dissolve, so taste it fast and add in if necessary lime. Saya akan masuk limau nipis ya. Sekarang saya akan masukkan sedikit lagi garam kasar ya, dan goreng-goreng kering. Do not increase the flame because there will be a chance of it burning. I've added in about half a teaspoon more of salt, added in the remaining powdered fennel. What is left is just the remaining ground spices, the milled spices. That's all that's remaining. Brown your pot occasionally so that you can scoop up these things here. Just dry fry this. And I must tell you something about varavals. Once cooked, do not close it. You're happy with the taste. It will taste a bit salty outside, but after some time the meat will absorb everything. But lama-lama ayam tu akan tarik garam tu. Jangan sekali-sekali tutup pot ya bila buat varaval apa-apa pun, sebab varaval dia kena kering. Bila awak tutup, nanti air akan turun ke bawah, nanti dia bukan macam varaval lah. So tinggalkan dia buka macam ni sebelum hidang. Paling lama 1 jam ke setengah jam, tapi kalau 10 minit pun boleh. Once cooked, you can leave it open for about half an hour to 1 hour. If you don't have time, even 10 minutes will do. You will notice that all this will be absorbed back into the chicken. You can use chicken where the skin has been removed, or even chicken with skin. So go easy on the oil if you're using chicken with skin. Just keep doing this, not high heat at all. In fact, what some people do is they have extra stands like this. At this stage, they will put it there and roast it slowly so that it never catches at the bottom and burns. You can go dry on this. Yeah, I've got an old stove hob. I think you call this a hob. Something like this would be good at this stage if you have. See, just put it higher up than your normal level. Kalau ada sesuatu macam ni dari dapur-dapur lama, jangan buang. Kalau buat varaval, bagus kita naikkan dia lagi. Jadi dia tak terbakar tapi kering secara perlahan. Biarkan dia lagi ya. Tengok dah tak ada kuah dia. There's no more gravy and only the oil is there. Keep turning this around so that you can see what's happening on this side. Pusing-pusingkan dia, kita kena tengok bahagian ni macam mana. Inilah sebabnya kita kena potong kecil-kecil lah. Okey, saya sudah goreng-goreng ni. Pusing-pusingkan ya sekali-sekala. I've been stir frying this. I added another hob underneath. I think you call it a hob from my old stove, and I raised up the level. Now I've already finished cooking. Can you see there's no more gravy? This is varaval. At this stage you can safely call this a varaval. Unless you want it drier, a bit crisp on the outside, then you can go ahead and stir it. I don't want to take the risk. Okay, right now the taste is everything just nice. I'm gonna let it sit, and after this I will serve it and show you. Okay, after it's been sitting for some time, do mix it. Okay, if not, what happens is the chili and the oil will go to the bottom and you'll have a dull color, but the taste will still be the same. Okay, for presentation you always selepas duduk seketika kacau-kacau dia, kerana minyak dan chili akan turun ke bawah. Nanti ayam tu tak nampak menarik. Rasa memang okey, tapi ayam tu tak nampak menarik sangat lah. Kalau suka resepi-resepi nanti, tolong like, share dan subscribe ya, dan tekan bell loceng untuk resepi-resepi yang akan datang. Okay, this is the chicken varaval. I hope you try it at home. It's really nice. Okay, thank you. Enjoy. Bye bye.